Myself Vinay Chittorkar. I have completed my Bachelor of Engineering from Electronics and Telecommunication. Where you got my reference of my class?
Actually, one of my friend who is an advocate, she gave you a reference.
Okay. What's the name?
Sanjeevi.
Are you a working parent?
Yes, I'm myself an advocate and I'm practicing as well.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm working with MSc. I'm IT professional.
In my class, I am conducting physics and mathematics. For each and every subject, we are having the different teachers.
Yeah.
Okay, we are giving a personal attention to each and every student. We are motivating the student. We are conducting some extra activities. For every after completion of every 3 chapters, we are conducting the test series. Right? Then the results are given to the parents. Every check papers are also handed over with the student. Parents can check it out. Right? Wherever required, we are providing the audio video lectures. Means we are explaining the whole criteria, whole science topic on the board first. After that, wherever required for any topic, for the practical understanding, might student require the video lecture. For that, we are providing the video lecturing also. Obviously for the better understanding, right? We are providing some revision worksheets. For the 9th and 10th standard student, we are giving the printed notes, and along with that printed notes, worksheets are there at the back side of that notes with as a chapter wise. Chapter wise worksheets are provided. Then we are practicing the past papers also. Whatever may be the board papers are there, as per the board papers, we are practicing the previous year papers in the class after completion of the syllabus. Okay, well, this is always the section is interactive. Every teacher after completion of the chapter, teacher asks them to solve the questions which are present in the textbook, and whatever may be the questions given in our worksheets, that are the questions from the board papers. That are the questions from the board papers, not from the textbook. Already textbook question they are going to solve in front of us, and if personally they are not able to solve that questions, at that time we are providing the personal attention and we are giving them the answer for them. For the mathematics, we are covering each and every question in the class itself.
Okay.
I am explaining the concept first,
Okay.
then solving the 2 questions on the board, and then ask them to solve the remaining questions.
Okay.
But if some of the kids are not able to capture that and not able to solve that particular question, any questions, might be possible कि every will not cope up with every concept.
Yeah.
At that time, we are helping them personally and to solve that particular question. Like this method we are following for science and maths.
Okay. Yeah, I wanted to ask because in maths there are this chapter is there 7.1 exercises. There
Yes.
are 10 to 11 different types of problems.
Yes.
So you take each and every problems in the class then?
Yes.
Yes. 2 you will solve and rest the kids has to solve in front of you.
In front of me only.
Okay,
If
okay.
there is any problem,
Yeah.
the student is not able to solve the question,
Okay.
not able to solve the numerical, I will personally guide that particular
Guided.
student.
Okay, okay. Means in maths it is we can rely on you on this.
Yes,
basis.
yes, definitely.
Okay, okay.
No problem.
Here you have given us efficient and experienced teachers. See, as over here we have seen the teachers are not that qualified and still they are teaching in ICSE schools also they are teaching, and in ICSE classes also they are teaching. I wanted to know personally because if the kids are under your this wings, so I wanted to know what kind of teachers you have placed them.
Yes, actually all the teachers here are highly qualified and we can say that highly experienced even.
Okay.
So chemistry sir is the master of engineering.
Okay.
Chemistry sir completed master of engineering. Biology teacher MSc specialization subject is botany.
Okay, great,
Like
great.
this.
Okay.
And for English, MA in literature, master's degree completed in literature only.
Oh.
So that teachers are able to do as the pattern designed by the CIS.
Yes. Okay.
Okay, so we have experienced other things also, like teachers living in between.
Hmm.
So how are the teachers and since how long they are associated with this class?
Maximum all the teachers associated with me more than 5 years. So they are not quitting my class even. They are continuing with me.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. That's just the second question. There are students from different schools.
Yeah.
So how you manage to standardize this syllabus, because they'll be having different schools will be having different syllabus at same time.
Mm.
So how you accommodate that and
Yeah.
how you manage, because students will get confused otherwise.
Yes, actually maximum time many of the chapters are common, not a different chapters are running in at the same time. Okay, might be such a kind of the problem come for one of the chapter, and that can be we can say that resolve a single chapter. If I have to teach any particular kid differently, then I can call that particular kid at a different timing, teach that particular chapter, solve the questions, and then cope up, take a test series of that particular chapter differently. And remaining rest of the, if they are common, if the chapters are common for rest of the student, then we can solve, conducting a similar lecture, and test series will be a common. Okay.
If the kids are still not doing well, so what extra efforts you all are taking? Means if they are not performing, means
Yeah.
at par they are just getting 50, 60 only, and as we are putting in this class, we want that the kids should perform, minimum
Perform.
70, 80, yeah.
Yes.
So what if the kids are not performing? What extra efforts are you putting in?
We are providing some extra videos for better understanding. Even we are providing an extra worksheets.
Okay.
Means whatever may be the extra, whatever may be the worksheets are present with our notes, that worksheets are available. Yeah, whatever may be the printouts we are providing during the class, that are also there.
Okay.
But if some of the kids are not performing, yeah, any particular kid is not performing well, and that is observed by us, so we are providing some extra worksheets for the practicing of that particular topic.
Okay.
And even we are asking regularly every kid, कि are you understanding that particular topic or not? And if they are not understood the particular topic, then we are repeating that topic for that particular kid.
Okay, okay.
So this is
Means
the
you're
way.
giving personal attention.
Personal attention, because we are providing a limited batch student.
Okay.
You can able to see my classroom's design. Okay, classroom design is that particular in that way कि particular students can sit over there only.
Okay.
Okay, that is a limited batch.
Okay, okay.
You have mentioned over here features also, personal guidance, student motivation, confidence
Yes.
building. But personal guidance, I want to ask one more question regarding this, because see, for example, my kid he is on leave for say a week or for some reason.
Oh.
So how you will be able to manage cope up with the class, because he will miss some lectures. So is there
Yes.
anything that personal guidance or personally a teacher will come and
Yes.
manage to cope up?
Yes, if any kid will having a loss of the 2 or 3 lectures, then obviously I have to call that kid particularly and separately, and I have to conduct that particular topic. And after conducting that topic, that kid can match with the regular batch. Okay, this is the way we are going. Or nowadays, due to the corona, we learn something na, कि we can take a hybrid lectures.
Okay.
That means we are available online and offline both. At whenever my offline lecture is going on, my laptop is also turned on. If some of the students are able to join my lecture, you wanted to join my lecture online way, then they can join them in the online way also. So hybrid mode is also provided from classes nowadays, since all are learned from the corona. Right.
Okay, that's great. Other thing is, what is confidence built up? What exactly you are trying to build? I mean, what you do?
Yes, actually some of the students are very shy. They are not able to talk during the lecture. Yeah, some kids are like that ki I don't have to ask in between the class. Yeah, in front of everywhere. So we are asking the students separately if anyone is not talking so much. Some kids are very talkative.
Talkative,
They
yeah.
can ask the questions in between the lectures. We are also providing the answer. But obviously, if I conduct the 2 or 3 lecture with particular batch, so I can understand. So which kids is talking, yeah, which kids are not talking. So who is not able to talk during the session, I can sit that particular kid and asking whether you have understood the topic or not understood the topic. And if you ask in front of the other also, then no one will laugh on you.
Yeah.
So you can, but we are doing such efforts. Even to develop the stage fear, okay, means to reduce the stage fear.
Yeah.
We are asking the student to come and explain some topic,
Okay.
whichever way with the topic we have explained now, we ask the student to come in front of us and give the answer. So this is the way we are developing the confidence.
Okay.
We are explaining the super brain yoga. What are the features of the super brain yoga?
Okay.
That particular teacher will come and explain the student
So this is
how to
for
do.
all the kids or how?
Yeah, for all the kids.
Okay.
One session we are conducting for the super brain yoga,
Okay.
and we are providing the same information.
And this
related
is
to it.
inclusive in the fees, or we have to pay extra?
No, it is inclusive in the fees.
Okay.
Notes, everything, test series, notes, everything is inclusive in the fees.
Okay.
You don't have to pay anything other than the fees.
Okay.
Extra, any fees extra other than the regular fees.
It was nice understanding.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Nice
Thank you so
talk
much,
with you,
ma'am.
really.
Yeah, thanks,
Yeah.
ma'am. Yeah.
Okay.